After finish it, come here. Very nice. Can go in the other side. You see, so big, guys. Still so many there. My white hair can see. Very nice. It looks so nice from here. It becomes longer and reddish in color. This is succulent also. There, just like this. Very nice, huh? Nice also the price. Small one, 5 ringgit. That is the cheapest, I think, that I saw. Looks very nice. A lot, huh? Oh, here got rain already. Go inside, Daddy. The rain. Oh, here very dark. This one, big one here. Huh? Our date in the garden.
This is really a great nursery. It's a great place to purchase varieties of pot plants and flowers, and the flower vases are very unique as compared to others.
A lot. Still have a lot here, but raining already.
A large plant nursery selling all sorts of indoor and outdoor plants, also gardening and landscaping supplies. Lots of exotic and common household plants ranging from the cheap to the expensive to pander to everyone's taste. The place is easy to maneuver.
This is the plant nursery that I come at, that very big, lots of varieties of plants they are selling. They are still making it. Beautiful plants. Hanging, crawling in the soil, in the land, in the pot. Seedling. Yeah. All the big size.
Their plant collections are enormous. Flowers, cactus, fruit trees, herbs,
so many
indoor plants. I am delighted to be able to see all these kinds of plants and flowers. And it is really so beautiful, this place. And this should be one of the favorite places to buy plants now for me.
Really,
the place is so enormous, and it's great to walk around to enjoy the plants and the flowers before you decide to buy some.
Still so many. Very dark, Lala. Daddy, no need to go there. Raining already, all wet. It's raining. I want to buy. Yeah, just like plastic. This one must be cold in the cooling place. Raining heavily already. They really jaga. They put so many cover. Yeah, put so many money inside this one. Lots of plants. They really have varieties of plants that you can see only here.
Wide variety of plants available, ranging from plants suitable for outdoor, those will thrive under shades, those will look good indoor, those need little care, and so on. Good range of pots and gardening care products are also available here. They are selling some. Have a huge selection of plants and gardening equipment and accessories. You cannot miss out on this if you are a vivid gardener.
The owner of this one, very much.
Yeah. This is his one na. Hobby maybe and his passion na. What is that place, Daddy? Temple me? What is it? Outside? Temple ah. Because this one very big, yeah. Very big. Really, the owner of this has put his heart here in doing this kind of business. Maybe his passion as well. Put lots of money here. As there's a lot of varieties of plants that put a greenish in color. Everything is here.
Such a relaxing place to spend the day. Many beautiful plants, a variety of sturdy, artistic pots, all reasonably priced. Staff are friendly and helpful. And there's a cafe that we went to eat our lunch just beside the nursery, serving a delicious fusion menu. Overall, it's a great place to spend quality time with family and friends.
Their place to...
The best and the biggest nursery shop in Ipoh. It's a must-visit place in Ipoh if you're looking for exotic plants or any other indoor or outdoor plants. Not only the best selection of varieties of plants to choose, but also nice place for just hanging around for their beautiful environment and plants display, ideal for your home. Besides, you can also find a beautiful and cozy grass house, cafe, and Soul Eatery station. Foods and Coffee is one of the top 10 cafe here in Ipoh also.
A fountain. They are selling also like that, the things that need for the nursery. They are selling here the soil. If you want to buy soil, the things just like the, how do you call, fertilizer to put in the garden or in the plants. Lots of garden decorations, just like this. Different kinds of soil and fertilizer. This is their store here, selling many things as well. The one that using in the garden.
Superb quality product with reasonable prices and of course friendly staff. They have also ample parking space here.
There isn't it, but it's okay, can be also. They're sitting down here with a big fan. Aircon ga. They're relaxing, sitting down here. Then we are in the middle of the plant nursery.
You will love coming here. Big, spacious, and lots of trees. I will love to come back here. There are so many parking
this?
spaces here as well. The ambience is there when the chirping bird sound is installed. Very calming. So can buy numbers of plants really, which worth the price to buy. Really like to visit here because seeing the plants makes me happy.
Raining heavily already. All these varieties of plants are here. The garden have a flowing water in the fountain. Looks so nice. After finish it, come here in the nursery. Raining already. They're looking around also.
Quite a variety of plants here. Good selection of so many different varieties of plants.
We have that one in the house, ma. This one can last long. We still have at home. They'll bring it up. This one, still have their mommy one.